How to change the size or basically the height of your keyboard. This is Samsung keyboard for your Galaxy A15 smartphone, Android 14. Let's do it. The fastest way to these settings is, let's just say you're about to start typing, your Samsung keyboard will show up like this here. And when your keyboard shows up like this here, you're gonna see these three dots right there. Go ahead and tap on that one time and you'll see this set of menu options show up. You'll wanna look for the keyboard size. Okay, so you're gonna have to swipe left or right. And you'll see keyboard size here. And when you tap on that, this is gonna happen here for you. Now, pulling on these tabs here will simply shrink them like this here if you want a smaller keyboard. And of course, when you pull this here, that's going to increase the height. Let me just fix that for you. That's going to increase the height. And when it shows you that orange-red color, that's the max it can go to. And once you're done with your changes, press done. And that's going to be your new keyboard size height. All right, like and so.